So I think the stream is started and I am just quickly checking the voice and other things are coming well or not. If you are watching this I think the stream is started and I am just quickly checking. Yes, the voice and other things comes good. Now we are going. Now we move to our stream. Okay, the main aim of this stream is to know more about SaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS is stands for Software as a Service. It's a very simple word terms you are generally used in a UI design. Currently, if you are uh, looking for a new internship or a job in UI design field, you already know about this word. Many designers, many hiring managers are asking for this. You have experience in SaaS. So let's understand this in today's video. What is SaaS? Software as a Service. Stands for Software as a Service. Okay, I am just highlighting the words. In simple word, it is a software that we can use through the internet. Okay, you already know about software we have to install in our desktop or like laptop. It takes the space in our system, like hardware space, RAM space, like this. But SaaS, don't we don't have to install this, and we can easily access this using our mobile phone, using our tablet, and using our system. It helps us to use the same things, same product using with our different devices without installing heavy files on our system. We just open a browser, log in, and start using it. These products are usually subscription based and updated automatically. If there is any updates come, it's update automatically. No need you not you have to install any bulky files. Okay, now we can understand about this by taking an example. So just move to the example of SaaS. Now let some real examples so it becomes a more clear. Google Drive. Google Drive is a SaaS. Why? You upload files such as Google Images and many things in Google Drive and then access with different devices like with your mobile phone or with your tablet. Netflix is a SaaS product for watching movies. Okay, now the next is Spotify. Spotify is used for music streaming. Notion is used for notes like this. Canva is for use designing, and even there is Figma. Okay, when I am talking about Figma, you don't confuse. There is two types of Figma comes. When once we can directly access with the browser, just log in with our Gmail, and one we have to install in our system by downloading it. Both are software, both have same application, but if we are using it in a browser, then it comes under a SaaS. If we are installing it and using, then it is a software. For example, Adobe After Effect is a software, not a SaaS. But if you are using online video editing, any software, like I am taking an example of Clipchamp. Okay, Clipchamp, it is a Microsoft based video editing platform. You can easily create video in this. Then it is a SaaS product. You can just log in your account and start editing video. It is a SaaS. Now talking about Pinterest. Pinterest is not a SaaS. Okay, you can also consider it a SaaS because many creators publish the video. It is also an SaaS, software as a service, but not more likely because it else you can use as a social media also, but you can also access as a software, but not completely it is SaaS. Just a simple clarification. I love why I open this Pinterest, just to show you the UI. Very minimal, clean. If you are a UI designer, you must take inspiration from a Pinterest. In the end of the stream, I will surely share some more update. In the end of the this stream, I will surely share one more uh, idea or one more good UI example. One is a Pinterest. You must take the inspiration, and I will surely show some another example. Okay. Now we are going to our third page, that is landing page design times. Okay, I just given you the context of the SaaS. Now we are going to know more about designing a SaaS product, because it is a design based stream. So we are not only talking about theoretical part, we also working about practical thing. Okay, just consider this as a frame, and now we are going to know more about landing page types. Okay, we are already, there are lots of website in the current internet, and we don't have to work every time in user experience of every product, because user experience of main application are already fixed. Now I am taking an example of Figma. Okay, Figma landing page or Behance. Okay, and just one more example, like let's take an example of another, just random, like ticket. I will search ticket booking. I like make my, okay, I execute Behance and Figma. Not this. I just, okay. This is center based content. Okay, the content is centrally based and image are aligned in left or right. All the CTA button, the secondary CTA button are in center. Now I am taking example of IXU. It is like not a professional website, but it is a content oriented. With our main aim is when we open, just remember what are the main function of this. We are come here to book a ticket, so main primary function just come from where, from New Delhi to Hyderabad, date, return, the search. It's a primary function and it is clearly visible. No more show off, no more thinking. uh, and now, after completing this, I am just explaining this little bit more so you can understand it more clearly. Just here. Okay. Okay. When we are opening any booking ticket booking platform, what are our main aims? From where to, this is must, departure date, return, number of person, and search. Okay, this is the main primary function. Now the page looks empty, so we put some like destinations, popular destinations like Goa, Manali, like this, so easily understand. Now some icons for quick filter, just to fill the space. It is not necessary. If destination cover the space, you can go with the second score. But I am talking about the mindset. When you are designing anything, this is the steps you must follow. We don't have to work every time in user experience, because user experience, user already know the experience how it looks. Now we are going again to the landing page types. Now Figma. It is also an center aligned with, okay, all things are aligned in centrally. It is also a good example of UI design. Now the Pinterest. Okay, the content is based in the left side and image in right side. The reason is simple. If you are making a responsive design for this, we can easily adjust the content based on this. Like text comes in the top, image comes in the bottom, and in the desktop side, text comes left and image in the right, like this. This is the main reason for this type of alignment. Okay, so what you understand? In all the example we are talking, text is either in center, text either centrally aligned like this, and images are in the left or right, and just reduce the size of this image, and CTA buttons are in center like this. Okay, and secondary is main primary CTA and secondary CTA. This is design 1. Okay, now second landing page in which images are on the right side, text are left aligned, and CTAs are also left aligned. Okay, followed by some text like this. Okay, okay, like this, some text like this. Okay, these are two types of landing. You ever see any design in which in text are like in the text are like in the left or right side and image in the right? You ever see any design of like this? No. The simple, there is no user experience till now created. So if we are experimenting the design like this, the chances of failure is more, because people, we have to develop the test for this type of design. So for better response of our website, we have to follow some rules, like people know in the left side logo are available, logo of a brand, and in the right side like sign up page, login page, or profile like stuffs. Okay, then followed by centrally or right aligned or left aligned text of like um, quick sites, just reducing the font size up to 20 and reducing the boldness like this, not only 20, I think 12, and reducing the height 16 like this. Okay, totally. Okay, quick sites like this. Okay, these are the types. If we are just, if for example, if you make these stuffs just quickly like this, I just I made all things auto layout, just clicking the shift alt quick site one, and some fill like small red like this, and increasing this, and give some round corner like 4 like this. Okay, and We made the top bar in the bottom of the section. So if you arrange the things ideally like this or this, okay, design also looks good, but people are not aware about the bottom nav bar. So people get confused. Where are the nav bar? They search in the top while scrolling, while in every steps. So we don't have to challenge every time and about the user test. Every time when you are designing, put your nav bar either in the top or in the left, because in the dashboards people are using it. But for your kind information, never challenge the people's user experience, because they are already aware about left side text, images are in the right side, and top bar like these stuffs. Okay, this keep when you are designing any SaaS product or any UI. My The landing page is important, the hero section is important. Don't challenge. You have freedom to experiment in different sections like browse part or profile page or like, because they are conventionally designed based on the branding or like the requirement. If it is social media platform, then profile page is very important. You have to come with different idea. If it is an e-commerce, profile is minimal, because main focus of the e-commerce is product, not the profile. So based on the requirement you have to update, but the primary thing is the hero section of this. Okay, let's take quick example of an e-commerce. Okay, the famous one is, let's take Amazon. I just simply say you, the main focus of e-commerce is the product. So when you open the quick filters of the product, like if I am coming here for the electronic quick filter available, electronics like this, and in the left side all the filter, payment like these stuffs all are available. And now the Republic Day is going on. The whole website are in the tricolor. Okay, these are the stuffs, main focus stuffs. They don't have to main focus on the profile part or other things, because they have the priority. So you can also now these are the fourth last part of our stream, and we are continuing this tomorrow also. Now I can share you just a simple stuff. I am sharing you another website for your inspiration. Okay, Shopify Winter Edition. If you want to in 2026 or in the future highlight your design skills, must follow some specific websites design, because AI is taking the job of designer, of basic designer. If you made only the hero section or like static websites, your work is replaceable. But if you make the this type of stuff, like you are seeing the illustration part while scrolling down the uh, the different content section, it is traditionally okay. We discussed some part. The he doesn't the designer doesn't change the top bar. Okay, the content, the main illustration is centrally aligned. Content is left like this, but he changed the overall experience of scrolling experience like this. You must follow this. The cards, the design of cards, the scrolling, but due to lots of animation, the website is also slow. This is the problem of heavy website also. So must your website must be minimal and simple. Sometimes some smooth animation like In I'm sharing you the design of smooth animation and minimal design. That is Apple. These are the minimal and simple design. Just some drop shadow, minimal animation, and overall website look clean like this. No any stuffs. Simple button, simple rounded corner, no any complex design. And this makes the MacBook utter from the crowd. So you have to, if you are making minimal design, make it more minimal. But if you are making complex design, make it more animation friendly. So before ending, I think I get some important works, but no worries. At the end, I am share about myself. I am currently UI designer and working from past 2 3 years in the UI design field, and currently working as a UI UX designer in a Singapore-based startup. So this is my small short introduction, but I don't want you to end the session without giving any practical tips. So let's design a small animation part like this. Uh, okay, just work with the round corner like I will prefer the 8 round corner, and inside this if I made a circle of white color like this. Okay. Now just okay like this, and let's change the color to little bit reddish like this. Okay, let's preview this. Now we are going to work in the animation part. Create the component of this. Now add a variant. Simply variant is added. Now in the variant just increase the size of circle little bit. uh, Alt H. I think it is not centrally aligned like this. Centrally aligned. Increase and change the paddings, like increase some paddings in the downside like this little bit. And now quick prototype like this. If you are not on click while hovering, and change to variant to smart animation like this. Okay, while hovering. Now I am going to put this just off. Alt H, Alt B. Okay, now if you are while hovering, the size of these particular changes, or like if you update the color, not only little bit yellowish, let's make the color like this. And not only foreground, background color also changes little bit more darker, like more darker tone. I think the center color So like this, if you are hovering, the changes, and not only this, I think reduce the size also like this and add some drop shadow here and like this, increase the blur and increase the opacity. Now let's check how it looks. Okay, you are looking like toggling. If you are hovering, small quick animation. You can use this type of animation in cards, like buttons and many more. Next day I will prepare this type of primary button, secondary button, cards, and different animation. This is just quick glimpse what we are going to learn in this streams. But hope you like this video, and now it's time to end the meet. Hope you enjoy it. But if you want to ask anything related to design, relating to graphic design, or many things, I am always open for you to help you. So see you soon. Bye.